What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Sony SRS-XB41 wireless speaker you can pick up at Best Buy. It was about $149.99. What's really cool is all the speakers in the wireless speaker range that Sony sells are water resistant to some extent. This particular model, the high-end model, the $150 model, the SRS-XB41 is actually IP67 water resistant. It also has this really cool illumination feature, listen to music for up to 24 hours with it, and even charge your device. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a first impressions of this device. Now there are two apps that you do need to download to use some of the features of this device, of this speaker. One of the apps is called Fiestable, and the other app is called Music Center, Sony Music Center. And I've actually downloaded both of them today, so we'll take a look at them. Right off the bat, there's no tape or anything like that, so there's no knife needed. You can basically just pick this up from the store and get it working right away. Really premium box too. If it's coming from Sony, you can count on it to be of really high quality. So as you can see here, it's actually really packaged up nicely. It comes in this very nice styrofoam protective enclosure, and the speaker itself is covered up in plastic so that even though it is water resistant, it does not get scraped or sliced or damaged during shipping. As you can probably tell, this speaker is actually sort of a mesh material, so it very well could get damaged during shipping if something were to cut into it. So just be sure that you don't slice into the box when you open this thing up for the first time and accidentally cut into your speaker. It looks to be of very high quality. It looks to be very durable. Like I said, it is IP67 water resistant and waterproof. You can actually dunk it in the pool or submerge it in some water up to 3.3 feet. So this is actually a very durable speaker, and one that will kick some ass too. As you can see, there are some really cool LED lights around the front of the Sony speaker. You have the Sony logo embossed in blue to match the color of the speaker on the front, and a row, again, another row of LED lights on the bottom. And of course, some rubber feet on the bottom here, which is really reassuring. So that means you can set this thing up nice and it's not going anywhere. So what's actually really cool is you don't need either the Fiestable app or the Music Center app, which you can download on the App Store or the Google Play Store. I downloaded them because they do offer extra features apparently, so we'll check that out. But no ifs, ands, or buts, you're ready to listen to them. Let's go ahead and listen to some royalty-free music here. So as you saw, that was the maximum frequency of 20,000 hertz. It has a minimum frequency of 20 hertz. So ultimately you're gonna get some pretty bassy, pretty loud sounds out of this speaker system. This is the extra bass model, so it is a little bit on the bassy side. So as you can tell, it is definitely bass heavy. But what's really cool are the LED lights that go around the side. So I can make the LED indicators flash whatever color I want them to flash. So there's green, there's blue to match the color of the speaker, red, or you can just set a custom solid color. Okay, so not the best music in the world, obviously, but I just want to show off some of the cool features of this speaker. You can add some really cool effects like drums, scratch, audience. I think you guys get the idea. I am no professional DJ, so if one of your friends is a little bit more musically inclined than I, definitely a party-centric speaker, something that you're definitely gonna wanna take to the beach, have at a party sitting on the kitchen counter or something, filling the room with sound. Overall, this speaker sounds absolutely pretty good. It doesn't sound phenomenal by any measure. You can connect up to 100 additional Bluetooth speakers with it. Anyways, guys, my name is John. This SRS-XB41 surround sound wireless speaker by Sony is a big box good. You can pick it up at Best Buy for $149. Like I said, there's other speakers in this range starting from $39, going up to $79, going up to $119, and finally $149. Our SRS-XB41 I have for you right here. Comes with 2 apps, but you don't need to download those apps unless you, of course, want to pair this speaker with other Bluetooth speakers. Other than that, if you want to take it out of the box and use it right away, you can. Really cool, really awesome speaker. My name is John. I will see you in the next video.